This is the story of Albert, Xena, and Bob. This is Xena. She's a nice girl. And this is her boyfriend, Albert.
Bruh.
He's a nice guy. They've been dating for a long time, ever since grade school, and we'll just call them A and X. Now, a new guy comes to school. His name is Bob. He's got stylish hair. He's a great dresser, wears a tie. A little more flashy than old Albert.
Bruh.
So we'll call Bob B. Turns out that Xena has the hots for Bob. After all, Bob is a flashier dresser. He's a hotter guy than Albert.
Bruh.
And of course, that makes Albert
Bruh.
more than a little worried. And turns out he should be. Because Xena dumps Albert
Bruh.
and ends up hooking up with Bob, the new guy, the hot guy. So now we have Albert
Bruh.
all by himself, and Xena and Bob are now hooked up. So before we had Albert and
Bruh.
Xena and Bob, and now we have Albert
Bruh.
and Xena and Bob. So now let's turn it into chemistry. We started with AX plus B, and because B was the hotter prospect, because B was more reactive than A, before too long they repaired and A was left by itself and B and X combined. A and B changed places. Why? Because B was more reactive than A. So B is going to take A's place. Bob is going to beat out Albert. And what would happen if Bob was just a dud? What if he wasn't the hotter prospect? Then Albert and Xena would still be together. We would still have AX, and B would still be on his own. So if B is less reactive than A, nothing happens. So here's the social chemistry. We started with Albert and Xena, and we added a little bit of Bob. If Bob is more reactive than Albert, well, Xena's going to dump Albert and hook up with Bob. And if we look at actual chemistry, if we have a compound AX and add an element B, then if B is more reactive than A, if B is more reactive than A, B will react with X, leaving A behind. AX plus B will turn into A plus BX.